All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP community. I appreciate you guys' support. Continue supporting, and you will see the continuation of these regular updates. But this one is very interesting because I'm going to talk about, one of the top analysts as to what they're thinking about, the price of XRP right now. And the price of XRP has done something very, very interesting that you do want to watch in this video till the end. And I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking across the market right now, you are seeing a lot of green. So, the Monday did start off on a negative note, but Bitcoin broke back above 60K, and obviously the entire market went up with it. And right now, especially going into Tuesday morning, a lot of coins are feeling the love right now. XRP was one of the top gainers, still is one of the top gainers, up 6.1%, and has a lot of people talking. Looking at the bigger picture though, this is what I want you guys to understand. So this is Google Trends. So, the amount of people that are searching XRP right now. And what that shows us is obviously, how many Google searches are happening around the world and how many people are actually interested in XRP. And in terms of, retail interest, it's nowhere near as to where you want, the interest to be. And that shows you right now what's happening with the prices, people that are already in crypto, or bigger players, whales, institutions that are showing interest to coins right now. So as far as XRP is concerned, over the last 12 months, we still haven't hit an all-time high, a yearly high in terms of Google searches. So that tells you everything you need to know regarding that as well. But now that we have that out of the way, let's shift our focus towards the article, and then we will come back to the price briefly, because price is doing something very interesting as well going into Tuesday morning. So you could see, widely followed analyst Michael has found significant grounds to believe a parabolic movement is imminent for XRP, given its performance relative to Bitcoin. So in a recent analysis, Michael examined the historical trajectory of XRP BTC pair. So, XRP BTC, not USD. We usually focus on XRP USD. Michael is making this case based off of the XRP BTC, pair. He highlighted that the XRP to Bitcoin ratio has been a reliable indicator for forecasting incoming trends. Michael asserted that each time XRP BTC hits a rock bottom in a cycle, a massive parabolic move follows. With XRP significantly outperforming Bitcoin, he pointed to several instances in the past to support this claim. A very interesting takeaway, and shout out to Michael for this. And obviously I want to share this with you guys, and then I'm going to share my personal thoughts when I pull out the charts for you guys. So anyhow, let's take a look at this. Ooh, what's this? Let's get rid of this. There we are. We don't need this. Anyhow, let's keep going. Anyways, let's continue to take a look at this. This is what I want you guys to show. So XRP set for parabolic rise. A new bottom was recently observed in June of this year when the XRP BTC pair, so this happened in June, when the XRP BTC pair dropped to 0.0000671 BTC. Market observers believe that this is a recurrence of a low price against Bitcoin, indicates that XRP may be on the brink of another explosive gain, similar to the previous three instances. And if you want to look at these previous three instances, you can see on the weekly time frame, XRP has been pulling consistent, greenish candles against Bitcoin since the bottom. The XRP BTC pair is currently at 0.001013, Bitcoin up 5% over the past day. If you've been following the Crypto ZX channel, you guys know that I've been telling you guys the fact that, the price is picking up traction. The overall trend, the overall momentum in XRP is visible. And I've said that. You can go watch any of my updates. I don't talk about these crazy unrealistic prices, and I will say that on a continuous basis because I don't. We look at it from a realistic point of view. But the price of XRP, despite market volatility, despite dominance index hitting yearly highs, you were seeing XRP holding much better against the broader market. So with Michael's XRP BTC pair, I totally agree with that. And you really want to see what he says regarding what happened in the previous cycle. Where is that? I think I had that somewhere. Where is it? There we are. Okay, you could see historical bottom with Bitcoin. So I really like this. Shout out to Michael again for pointing this out. So the first instance occurred in June 2014 when XRP BTC pair dropped to, its low, its record low. And then after, we saw that massive surge. But of course, XRP in terms of market cap was dirt cheap at that point. So we need to keep that factor in mind. But as far as the XRP BTC ratio goes, you can see this for yourself. It happened in 2017 as well. By May 2017, you can see it says, it started picking up traction again and again. If you're going to be, basing it off of 2017, in 2017, the market valuation for XRP, I was there at that time. I was actually there at that specific time, and XRP was worth, really, really cheap at that price point. So market valuation still quite low. But what's really interesting is what he says about the 2020 bearish cycle. It says, a similar pattern reoccurred during the 2020 bearish cycle, with XRP once again outperforming Bitcoin a few months later, hitting a low. So pretty much the last 3 cycles since the existence of XRP, what you're noticing is once the XRP BTC ratio, the pair hits the low, then the price of XRP starts moving up. So do analysts that been in this space for quite some time, these massive market makers, these massive whales, do they know about this, the significance of this? Hence you are seeing the price of XRP picking up traction. Because speaking about picking up traction, I'm really impressed at the fact that the price is back above this key support line. Not a lot of people think, only a few will understand how excited I am about this, because this is exactly where you want to see the price of XRP sitting at. And pretty much we were battling it out right at that neckline of that key resistance, and we finally saw that breakout. But it has seen this breakout, and it's already at a 61 cents price point, while Bitcoin is not even close to its all-time high. So let's look at it from this point of view. In order for Bitcoin to hit an all-time high, that's a move of about 21%. Usually what happens is altcoins do tend to go a little bit higher compared to Bitcoin when Bitcoin sees these moves, even with a dominance this high, at 57%. Let's just hypothetically say, we do see, the Bitcoin all-time high being retested with the dominance where it's currently sitting at. So let's say a 30% gain, or let's make it a little bit more realistic. Let's even say 25%. A 25% puts it literally right below that key resistance. Usually if Bitcoin were to go 21%, realistically altcoins do go a little bit more, so 30% give or take. So that would put it exactly on the target that I'm talking to you guys about for XRP for quite some time. If you go watch any of my old updates, that is that level that I have my eyes on, and that's where I believe the fireworks begin. And it's starting to look more realistic than ever that you do see the price of XRP start heading towards the upside. Do we think that Bitcoin is not going to hit an all-time high? I personally don't think that. I think Bitcoin wave 2 is going to start. You're seeing a lot of bullish news coming in terms of the institutional side. There's so much going on right now when it comes to the crypto, but elections are a huge catalyst, and I spoke to you guys about that in my last update. That is a big catalyst. Market can go anywhere. Like, I think it can have an instant impact, both for the good side and the bad side, depending on how it goes and which route it goes. But as far as the XRP is concerned, sitting at 61 cents right now, loving what I'm seeing. I know a lot of people have lost their patience, the fact that XRP hasn't done anything exciting, but I do believe the people that were patient, now that you're seeing, as far as regulation goes, you're starting to see that lawsuit, now that's kind of being left in behind. Of course, there's still some investors that are on the sidelines thinking that you're going to see SEC appeal, but I think in a grand scheme of things are looking better than ever, and the price speaks for itself as of now. We do need to keep an eye out on Bitcoin. Obviously, you want to see the price of Bitcoin holding above the 60k mark, as I've said in my other updates. Most importantly, get back above 64. That is the confirmation level for myself. But we'll definitely take this right now. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.